Gardening Express enjoyed collaborating with designer Jodie Chan to create a stunning show garden this summer. Jodie created the beautiful Touching the Senses garden, using hundreds of hardy succulents supplied by Gardening Express. This was featured in the newly introduced Sensory Pocket Planting category at the Hampton Court Palace Garden Festival. The plot was centred around 4 sculptural spheres, each adorned with vibrant succulents that invite visitors to connect with nature by touching and exploring them. The succulent spheres were placed within a narrow bed, surrounded by Mexican feathergrass. With the added sand base, the arrangement resembled a serene coastal dune. The garden delighted all visitors, and Gardening Express looks forward to participating in future show gardens and displays.